in the beginning. I don't know, usually white has to pincer this. If I take care of this one, white need to pincer this one. But I don't know whether AI will say this was wrong. And this, yeah, because I can repincer one more time. I don't think AI will say this is bad for white, but starting from now, I think it was different than I expected. I was expecting him to play this move first, because if I just answer, then this is better for white, and then just jump. If block, then push and cut first, and this is gonna be ladder, and white can attack here. Will it be too bad? If sacrifice position is not good, then of course white will not be good. Or maybe exchange until now and then return here to take care of this. I don't really like it, but in the actual game was too obvious now. Especially I think here this extending should be bad exchange as well. If white just jumps here, it was much annoying for me because it wasn't ladder. Then I think I need to answer something like that. It was much better than actual game. Become two stones are very heavy. Yeah, moving out is still very heavy. And the problem is there was always Aji. I can peep and then push and cut this. Yeah, why white didn't block here is I can Atari this. I was thinking to Atari and then cut this. Then if this is not the ladder, it was ladder, you can see that. Yeah, ladder doesn't work.
You have a game request.
Sorry. Something like this. That means now if ladder doesn't work, then white is in big trouble. And giving up two stones are not making sense as well. So when I play here and this, maybe saving might be possible at the corner, but now position is not good. Yeah, even though white can save, then it will not be good for white. So in the actual game, since I cut here, and it was ladder too, yeah. I don't think it was his misreading. I think maybe he was afraid that when I tenuki here, later whether I just throw this away, I think he wanted to be sure I need to answer one more move. But I think still just white has to play patiently. It was possible to save if he can capture this. So that was too bad exchange. And then I think, however, still white need to save two stones. Yeah, it's not making sense now. So now, no matter how, black was leading the game. Yeah, now it's too painful if white has to answer. Later there will be Aji as well. Black can play here. And there is an ending game. I can even play like this. Here, white is in trouble, right? Like this. And this one. When I cut this one, white need to capture, but I can make all the center, and then I cut this here, this, here, Atari. There is in trouble. So if I have 2 and 4, there is also big ending game too. So now gap was not that little. Yeah, it was quite big. So I think the lower side was in trouble. Yeah. I'm curious at what AI is saying about the beginning. Let's check a second with AI. Simply. Hello, Jem. Are you Jem? Jemerson? You are Jem, right? How are you doing, Jem? You should be who I know, my student Jem, right? Yeah, of course it may not be. Ah, yeah, Jem, hello. How are you, Jem? Long time no see you. Sometimes I check your Facebook. Yeah, your happy life. Sydney, yeah. I'm just curious in the beginning. This here. Sorry, even though confused, I still need to show you from this one. Yeah, long time no see, really. Okay. Yeah, as I thought, still getting in at invading at 3-3 was no problem. Still I need to continue. This was a little bit low. But it's okay, it doesn't matter, not that serious. Oh, what I played was a blue spot. I'm so happy. I was considering to play this move actually at the first time. But lower pincer was better. Okay. AI is recommending to reduce here. Okay, need to fight. Take caring this group is inefficient maybe. It's not so efficient. Okay, just 해놓기 there. Jump is better. There is no value. I play on Taijin, but finish now. Premium server. Yeah. Sorry, it was not the review. This one. Sorry, AI. Yeah. After he exchanged, he was supposed to do that this immediately. Actually, this is a vital point now. Yeah, this is a vital point. He need to press me down something like this, then that will be okay for white. If in case I need to play there, just one exchange, then he was supposed to do that, and then he need to keep trade. Okay, I think since extend here, jump was very happy. Push was no problem. Still, he played well. That means it was not bad. I think he played his best. I thought it wasn't really bad for me. I was also keep thinking that between extending and double honey. He played well. That means here. Really, is it better? Okay. I thought he will play here. That means even if I exchange this move, white doesn't have to take care of this group. There is insurance anytime he can save at the corner. I see. But maybe after this, the hangman condition was not good. Yeah, just need to jump. It made me much happier. If white doesn't extend here, it was much annoying for me. I don't know how I can take care because it wasn't ladder. That means I think this is the ladder breaker. Yeah, but he can even extend now and then get back the bad exchange from me. And yeah, but anyway, the one thing is sure, extending this move was bad exchange. AI tell me I need to do it immediately. I saw this move. Yeah, I didn't mean I couldn't see that. I had to do it immediately. It was one timing late. Yeah. Hi Yuji. Are you not sleeping? Oh, but after this I shouldn't cut again? Such complicated? I thought this move, but what about I just cut? I think it still is okay. Cutting is... but he will switch. Wow, very hard to think. I think psychologically maybe he will think this is not good for white, but still is playable because this is a wasting step now. Yeah, if I don't have this move and like this, and then it will be much valuable. Yeah, even he cannot consider to attack my left hand side. I had to cut here immediately. This here. That means when I cut this, now he can attack my 3 stones first. Hello, Rafael. Long time no see you. But he ignore. I think this is it. Yeah, then it's definitely this is losing move. Oh, was it even bad exchange? My expecting is all wrong anyway. Just capturing is the best move. I was thinking much more active move, but just capturing is good enough. Too much aggressive is not good. Anyway, he need to exchange. Yeah, that's quite sure. But when he just answers here, this was ladder. Yeah, if ladder, then of course it's not good. Oh, even this was not really okay. Yeah, final of the final mistake is 1 space jump. After this, and then I just take care, stable way. Yeah, now it's not so close anymore. Yeah. Yeah, it was bigger than just now. And then peep. Yeah. Oh, AI is pointing me. I have to do it immediately. This one. This was the biggest, really. Oh. I was considering to just block here. It wasn't biggest. Okay, everybody. I played the competition and I had a simple review as well. I will stream until now. Yeah, still I couldn't have a dinner after my class. I just came back home and then played this game immediately. And I just had a simple mooncake and snack. I think I need to have a dinner. Yeah, tomorrow morning I have a class again in the morning, early morning. So I can set down. I see. Yeah. You mean the more higher percentage? Oh, I will. I need to learn it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Yeah, for joining the live stream and supporting me. Oh, thank you so much, Kevin. Always super chat and supporting me. Yeah, thank you. So appreciate. Thank you so much, Kevin. Yeah. Really, thanks a lot, Kevin. Thank you, Jan, for joining. Yeah, Yuji, thank you, Yuji. Yuji, see you on Sunday, Yuji. Nearly, 30 minutes later, it will be 12 o'clock. You have to sleep. Thank you, everybody. Then see you guys next time. Kevin, thank you so much, Willie. Yeah, appreciate it, Willie. Bye-bye, everybody. Yeah, good night. Good morning, good afternoon. Bye-bye.